Hey guys, good to see you again. Brent here at the Ogden Nature Center, and we're going to be talking all about patterns in nature today. I want you to solve a simple math problem right now. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What comes after that? We see these patterns in nature as well, and we're going to talk about the different patterns that we might encounter, like zebra stripes, or spots on a butterfly, or tree rings and seasons. These are all patterns that we see around us. Okay, we're going to talk about 3 different patterns in nature today. The first one that I want to discuss is symmetry. So think of it as if you could split your body in half, it would look the same on both sides. In fact, a lot of animals have bilateral symmetry, like this butterfly I'd like to show you. So if I were to cut this thing in half, just like I mentioned before, it would be the exact same. One wing on one side, one on the other. It's got these false eye spots to scare a predator away. It's got 2 antennae on its head, 2 eyes. 2 of each body part really helps animals to survive. I mean, think about it. If you had only 1 eye, it'd be a lot harder to get things done and see, right? Okay. The second pattern that I'd like to talk about is actually a shape. And it's the shape of the hexagon. Hex means 6, and we can count 6 sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you think of anything in nature that has this shape? Here's a classic for you. Honeybees and wasps too. They make nests that have this hexagonal shape. Initially, they actually make these out of circles, but heat and tension pull this into the shape that is the hexagon. Now, the hexagon is a really great shape because it saves a lot of space and it's mostly energy efficient. So this is a great shape that a lot of animals will use. You'll even notice on the turtle shell here, that very same shape. These are scutes that turtle shells are made of, and right down the central dorsal here are hexagonal shapes. Now, if you were an astronaut in space and you saw the gas giant Saturn, on the North Pole, you would see a massive cloud formation in the shape of a hexagon. And this hexagon is the size of 2 planet Earths. It's massive. Okay. Alright, so pattern number 3, we're going to talk about stripes. And like I said before, we're going to use paintbrush to help us talk about that. Paintbrush is a milk snake that lives here at the Ogden Nature Center. And you can see he's got some pretty distinct stripes, right? Red, black, yellow, black, red, black. And it just goes all the way down his body like that. This is actually a strategy that helps him to look like a venomous snake. The other snake that he's trying to mimic is called a coral snake, which is, it would send you to the hospital if you got bit by one. But this guy, no problem. So there's a little tip that I can share with you to help you remember if you're looking at a milk snake which is non-venomous. It goes red next to black, you're okay, Jack. But if you see the pattern red next to yellow, that kills a fellow. That's the venomous coral snake. So that's just a nice tip for you guys to remember if you're out and about and you see a wild milk snake. So patterns in nature can be really simple or complex. If you're looking for more of a challenge, check out the Fibonacci sequence. You'll begin to find these in flower petals and leaf arrangements and among other things in nature. Well, thanks for joining Paintbrush and I today at the Ogden Nature Center, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.